Short sale information. Short sale agent discusses Cal HAFA short sale approval in 32 days. Hey, looking for short sale information? You've come to the right place. Mike Wrigley, certified default advocate, distressed property expert, and your short sale specialist here. Thanks for joining us. Today, let's talk about a recent Cal HFA short sale we got approved in 32 days. Yep, you heard me right, 32 days. Start to finish. Hey, great story here. Now, anybody knows me knows I love working on Cal HFA short sales. The folks at Cal HAFA are great people. In this particular case, Cal HAFA was the investor and Guild Mortgage was the servicers. I enjoy working on Guild short sales as well. This young family had a bona fide hardship. They were behind in their payments and had nowhere else to turn. We met at their kitchen table one evening and it was apparent we could help them. Within 10 days, we had the property listed, and after selecting one of the seven offers that we received, we were ready to submit the Guild short sale package. Having worked on Cal HFA short sales and Guild short sales in the past, we knew to submit the specific Guild short sale package. Now, we naturally had one in our vast library of bank-specific forms. That's the way we roll. We submitted a complete Guild short sale package, were assigned a negotiator pronto, and the appraisal was ordered. Now, one of the reasons we like working Guild short sales is the folks over there are just great to work with. Our negotiator was on top of the file and kept us updated all along the way. With a complete Guild short sale package, an offer at or above fair market value, and a true seller hardship, this file came back from the mortgage insurance company and investor in record time. Next up, get the escrow closed, but that's a story for another time. Hey, is a short sale right for you? Got a Cal FHA or Guild loan? Call me. Let's talk about it. Not all of them go through, so I can help you go through that process. Anyway, to get a better idea of when your home will be worth what you owe, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info or give me a call for a free estimate or free no obligation consultation or for the latest short sale information. Call me today, sleep better tonight. You'll be glad you did, and I'll look forward to hearing from you.